Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Digibyte. In this video I will share the latest update of the DGB coin. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, now the currently latest price of the DGB coin Digibyte in the market 0.042589. That is the currently price of the DGB coin. And furthermore, if you look the price changes open the DGB coin, so now the last 1 hour changes of the Digibyte is positive. The last one day, yesterday changes of the Digibyte is negative. My friends, you know what's yesterday falls open the Digibyte, but now the latest situation of the Digibyte is again going positive. Possibility that the price continue this pump for a long time. Just hold it, my friends. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Digibyte. What's going on in the DGB coin? Oh my goodness, that's really a good news. A good jump over by Digibyte. You can see here in the previous time the price jumps, but in the latest situation you can see here positive 0.34%. The price increased just in the last 2 hours and 0.042606 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the DGB coin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe AVS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.